GBP USD.
Just in FX now, we're seeing some movement in the dollar versus the lira, dropping 2.1% below the 7th level there to 6 spot 0656.
USD JPY. GBP USD. GBP JPY. USD JPY. AUD USD. GBP AUD. AUD JPY.
3 minutes time now until the bottom of the hour again, and waiting to hear from the RBA releasing their statement on monetary policy. That's what we're looking for here in this statement of monetary policy from the RBA, downgrades to GDP growth and inflation.
GBPJPY.
One minute.
EURAUD.
10 seconds. About George lower jobless rate achievable given subdued inflation from the RBA. The board will be paying close attention to the labour market at upcoming meetings. It's cutting its GDP forecast for the year through June 2019 to 1.75% from the prior 2.5%. It is trimming its mean inflation 1.5% for June 2019, 1.75% for December 2019, and 2% for December 2020 and 21. The forecast unemployment of 5% out to December 2020 and 4.75% by June 2021. So the forecasts are made on technical assumption rates follow market pricing of 2 cuts. That's 2 cuts to 1%. And near-term indicators of labour demand have softened since February statement, and partial indicators pointing to moderate GDP growth for the March quarter. Domestic price pressures are more subdued than previously thought. They're saying a weakness in the housing market dragged on inflation, and rental inflation was the lowest since 1993. Inflation constrained by government efforts and cost of living, a key uncertainty outlook, and near-term outlook for consumption growth has been revised lower. Strong growth in tax payments has dragged on household incomes, and the Aussie dollar at the low end of the range, and low bond yield offsetting upward pressure from the higher commodity prices. Outlook for export growth and terms of trade revised upward, while bank funding costs have eased but not flowed through to variable mortgage rates. Some signs growth has picked up in China, where trade tensions remain downside to the global outlook. So again, that's the RBA cutting its GDP forecast for the year through to June 2019 to 1.75% from the prior of 2.5%.
EURAUD.
How's it going, Swing?
Yeah, I was long pound yen already, but I got hedged, which is kind of annoying.
You got jacked on that spike. Took a short on that spike.
On what?
Incredible move. And I hit sell again instead of buy
Oh,
right at the bottom, and it jacked me up. So I'm digging out right now. I thought, I can't believe this thing is slipping me this many points. And then I looked at the order history and I put another sell on it. It's like, oh my God.
looks like the Nikkei is not gonna go up more.
No, they're both at resistance right now.
I just made a higher high, but I'm not so sure that it's real.
Right.
It looks like it, but the dollar is going up too, so it's maybe not gonna work out that well. looks like it's... the Nikkei is following up. Dollar is going down too. But the yen pair's not really following it.
GBP USD. GBP USD.
What's ASEAN doing? Oh, looks much better actually. Ah, yeah, the dollar is going back up. Oh, this damn dog. Come on, move it already. Nikkei is moving nicely. Currencies are not really following up. Ah, this is some major resistance zone.
No, they're not.
It looks strong on the Nikkei side. Just a question if the currency is going along.
GBP USD.
guess not. This is taking way too long.
Yeah, there's a bunch of resistance here, man. The 500 tick chart, we're right in the middle of it. There's two
Nice.
layers actually.
Has trouble staying there.
Yeah, if it gets through both of these, then it's going to be a big move up. But
The dollar is already playing kind of a big role. Damn trade wars. Yeah, if the dollar goes up, everything stops moving. But it looks promising. I have to scale out a little bit, I'm way too heavy.
Bit of update here from the New York
damn
Times
dollar.
on Rappaport. I take what you will from this. He's just looking at Trump's schedule for tomorrow with no meeting with the Chinese on his schedule posted.
Anything interesting going?
Pound a little bit. But it's at resistance right now. It's the question if it's breakout or not.
GBP USD.
Chinese Global Times editor tweeting now, saying he just called someone who is close to the negotiations in Washington and was told that both two sides just finished talks this evening, saying that they will have another negotiation on Friday morning US time, and saying in other words, negotiations will extend beyond the time when the US starts to raise tariffs. It's just a bit of an oversight there of what we pretty much already know there from the Global Times editor in China.
come on, Nick, get on up there to 21.6.
It's fighting hard, but the dollar is not on our side. But the US dollar yen is not moving either, but it's going higher.
We're fighting
I'm gonna come back during European opening, see if anything changes. For now, nothing interesting to me.
Alright. We will be here.
Where are you located again?
I live in Thailand.
Oh, okay.
Damn, this is fighting hard. Ah, fuck it, break even exit. Yay, 0.3%. And now it's gonna shoot to the moon for sure. Oh, my arm hurts like crazy. I fell out of the bed.
Fell out of
Steve
the
here from
bed.
Edward Lawrence from
Yeah.
Fox Business. So far, no plan for the president to meet with Chinese Premier Louis He. The president has met the Chinese trade delegation.
Gotta
in
come
the
up
Oval
with a
Office.
better story
Every other
than
trip
that.
they made to Washington this year.
It's true. Look at pound yen. It's gonna hit right into my target. 143,361 actually. I exit already because I had a hedge on. Damage control comes first.
Oh yeah, it's pushing up there, ain't it?
I'm out already. Minus 4.3%, plus 4.8%. So,
My Zulu count took a beating the past couple days.
oh, what's your URL anyway? I don't have you in my collection. Yeah, I got a follower yesterday. Oh, fuck you!
Wow, everything's going up here.
Yeah, right, and I'm out.
Jeez and Pete's.
Right into my target. Not yet, but in a minute. Yeah, well, damage control comes first. Fuck, that hurts.
My Zulu says risky activity detected.
Oh, mine says since day one.
I was doing really good, and then I took I saw the reversal on the 4 hour on pound yen, and I didn't take it. I thought, you know what, I'm trying to long-term trade, so I'm just going to let it ride. And it went against me quite a bit.
Actually, I just got hedged because it made a small swing down. How much was that anyway? 3.2 pips. That what got me hedged. Shit. Yeah, what's your Zulu address?
I just sent it to you. And you
Okay.
I just PM.
Alright, flipping coins day today. Oh, come on, that will be a 2% gain now. Because I was really heavy and I just reversed the hedge. I mean, I was heavy in the initial order already. And instead of closing, I just pressed the reverse button. So double the too big position already. That would be 3% by now.
Yeah.
Run right into my target. R1 already.
Flying over streets and our broken hearts, but they can't even touch us. We found a different beat. Paradise is waiting.
But if you play with fire, better
Getting caught in the mist,
get out if it gives you the opportunity.
feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we go and we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know.
Oh, I have that one already. Oh, I mistake your strategy with Doji Sans.
We supersede, and we hold in the key. Yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling, just like we please. Ooh, getting caught in the mist is so many that never get out of.
Whoa, disconnected.
Fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we go
I'm glad I'm out already.
run without shame.
I'm disconnected on all accounts.
And
Was down too.
on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know.
What the hell?
Gonna let